In this video, we're going to go over how to customize the infinite marquee. So we'll start on the home page, go to page. This is a site canvas. So again, whenever we make those updates, we're going to see those site-wide wherever the canvas is located. So we'll click Edit Infinite Marquee. To change the color background, we'll go to Canvas Background. Here you can add in any of your brand colors, swap out any of the colors here. To edit the actual text, we're going to select it and go to Custom Code. Here, a nice easy hack is to copy all of this code first and then paste it to a notes or in a Google Doc, so that way you could always refer back to it or add it back in if something happened. To actually change the text, you're going to go right here, and this is what you're going to change. If you want to add in one of these little bullet points, that is option 8 on your keyboard on a Mac. Whatever text you put in here, and again, you're going to want it to be long enough so that it spans the width of a computer, iPad, all of that good stuff. So test that out just by even adding it in here, and then we'd go back to your home page and we can go preview, and you'll want to make sure that it's the full width. Okay. Let's jump back in. So now once we add the text right here, we're going to copy this exactly, and then right below, we're going to paste that in. So this is telling it to be infinite, and it's just going to keep infinitely looping. Next, we're going to go over how to edit the actual text. Right here for animation, this is the scroll speed. So this is saying 240 seconds. So if you want that to be quicker, the number will be less. And if you want it to go even slower, the number would be higher. So we definitely recommend something that is easily visible and not too fast, that it would be jarring or anything to your visitor. Right below, we have the font family. So this is where you're going to add in your font. If you're not seeing your font sticking, you want to make sure that you have that font somewhere else on the home page, or if it also isn't sticking, make sure there isn't any qualifiers afterwards like bold or thin. Next, right here, we have font size. So this is what you can change here. We also have letter spacing, so you can adjust that here. Here is the color hex code. So if you want that to be a specific color, this is where you're going to change that here. And then the text transform, you can have that be lowercase or normal. If you want the text to show up exactly like you typed it up above, you can delete this entire line of text. Then below, we can actually reverse the direction of it. So if you delete this and this, you can reverse the direction. And then you'll click save, and then you'll see it here. So if you need to make adjustments, you'll just go back in and then just go through and make those adjustments. Back to home page. We also have created, if we go to add new canvas, we have a static marquee. So if you're like, oh, I like kind of how it looks, but I just don't want it to even be moving, and you prefer it just to be static, that's totally fine. You can just add that one on. I'll see you on the next one.